James right now. So we thought, since we practically live here at St. James, we are just going to do a walking video, I guess. I hope you all still enjoy this.
Show you the different houses.
Yeah, the architecture, the beauty, the flowers. It's beautiful here. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Might as well just call us St. James residents because we practically live here. So
yeah, 2 roads over. We used to walk her after work.
We literally are over here all the time.
They have ghost tours going on right now.
Yeah.
I think they do them every Saturday. We've seen 2 different ghost tours.
Yeah, lots of ghost tours. Really cool area. Very haunted area. So if we see any ghosts, we'll let you know.
This is actually the world's largest neighborhood with Victorian houses.
Yes.
It's the biggest area with Victorian houses in the world. So
yeah, very cool. Kyle is sending his drone in the air, but he forgot the memory card in the car.
We're filming Night Watchers. I'm filming Night Watchers. But about to film a episode up here at Central Park in St. James.
Yeah. What do they say? They say killing 2 birds with 1 stone.
Yeah.
I don't like that saying because I don't be killing birds and shit, but
front door do.
Oh my gosh, our front door is like, for some reason it attracts all of the birds that fly at it at top speed, and then they end up dying. Sometimes they don't though. But yeah, our front door is a trap.
Yeah, we spent like 7 hours one day at St. James watching this squirrel. It died, but
it was dead, yeah.
He was moving every once in a while.
He was moving. He was having those like little seizures. It was really sad. I tried to save him. Kyle was with me. I called the wildlife rehabilitators and everything, and we couldn't get a hold of anybody. But I think he just ended up laying there and dying. I'm actually thinking about becoming a wildlife rehabilitator if Kyle's okay with our house being a zoo. No. fine walking here today at St. James. Kyle got
some
drone footage.
Yeah, I hope it looks good. It's kind of dark, so I think it's going to be fuzzy, but we'll see.
Yeah, it's a little dark. We're probably going to have to come back here during the day sometime. I was lazy today, so I was not going to get out of bed to do anything. But I am going to get tacos. Get your big head out of the shot. Sorry it's dark, but I'm enjoying my tacos, and Kyle got Taco Bell.
I got American tacos. I wouldn't even have got this. She wanted fire sauce. So I had to buy a combo meal.
Oh yeah, you had to.
Unbelievable.
I do love me some fire sauce. Fire sauce to me is more on the sweet side. Let me know if y'all agree.
I want to try it so badly, but I have a nut allergy.
And it's not fun.
And yeah, and I'm just being honest here. Eating at places where there's a language barrier is kind of scary for me. So I need to be for sure that they understand what I'm saying.
Yeah. Always better to be safe.
Yeah. I don't think Mexican food uses peanuts for real.
Yeah, they have mole.
Mole?
Mole. Mole has peanuts.
That's the only thing. What is mole? Guacamole?
No.
Just being cool, just saying mole for short.
It's like ground up peanuts and spices and I don't know what else they put in it, but it's definitely mostly peanuts.
Is it like a savory thing or is it a dessert?
It's savory. They put it with chicken. It's like something, it's like a sauce, it's like a rich sauce you put on chicken. Well, I think you can have it with other items too, but that's how I've had it, is chicken mole.
Yeah.
I was starving. Always love ending the day with tacos.
This ain't bad for $10. You get a double layer, a 5-layer burrito, a chalupa, chips or cinnamon twist, and a medium drink for $9.99. That's not bad. Even though 6 years ago this had been $5 deal.
Not bad at all. Hey y'all, so I am going back and I'm editing this video. I noticed that there is like a whisper, like a voice in here, and it's kind of weird.
Just a little bit.
What does it sound like to you?
Harry or Avery?
Yeah, which is weird because right next to where I filmed this is the Pink Palace. And the Pink Palace is apparently haunted by a ghost named Avery. Speculated anyway that it's haunted by a ghost named Avery. There's been some controversy with that. There's another person who thinks that it was haunted by someone else.
Yeah, that's like the most haunted neighborhood in America, so.
Never know what you're going to pick up there.
Yeah.
Do you think that it sounds like Avery or Harry?
Avery,
it sounds like a man whispering.
Avery would make more sense, but it does sound like Harry, but it's really quiet.
Yeah, it's really faint.
Yeah.
It could even be just me breathing really heavy.